Boom, 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 boom.
Hi, my name is Karima. And I'm Rahma. And our grandma finally came from Hajj. Yay! Alhamdulillah, she's back safely to us. Hajj is a 5-day annual pilgrimage undertaken by Muslims to the holy city of Mecca. The journey to Saudi Arabia is the world's largest single gathering of people. 2 million pilgrims performed the Hajj this year, and our year is one of them. The Great Pilgrim ends with Eid al-Adha, and if you haven't seen our Eid vlog, click here or somewhere. Most definitely kids can go to Hajj with their parents. Yes, we can! And this is how we welcomed our Yaya from coming back from Hajj with a humongous meal. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment, share, subscribe. Bye. Bye.